welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today we are going to make a sweet raita, and you have seen the ingredients on the list. So now let's make our raita. So we begin with the yogurt, and we're using a hand blender. Let us whip this yogurt down. Starting off with a slow speed, then we'll increase the speed. To dilute the thick yogurt, we'll just add a little bit of milk. And now we can add the jaggery, and also we will add the cardamom powder and a pinch or two of salt. Our sweet raita is ready. Our sweet raita is ready. To garnish it, I'm just adding a little bit of jaggery. So this is just for decoration. You can omit this if you want to. So this is my sweet raita that goes like a dip with pratas and anything. So thank you very much for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen, and please share and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in my next video. And also for those who are new, welcome aboard, and please do not forget to like and share the video and spread the word and continue to support me. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye for now.